Go, next. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Keep going. Go, 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 go. Move, move, move. There you go. Good job, go. Yeah, what you don't want to do is be crossing your legs like this.
Yeah, so how do you move?
No. From here, we're just going to walk. Okay?
One method.
Yeah. You're going to drop down with one knee.
One knee.
All right? One knee, not both knees. High compress ready? Flashlights ready? Do not turn your flashlights on yet, not until you're down. Okay, you don't want to tell them you're going down. 2 steps forward, down. Take the shots to the head. 2 shots, 3 shots, come back up. Okay, turn your lights on, back up, back up, back up. Okay, let's move forward just a little bit so our knees are right down here. Okay, from here, what I want to do is get your flashlight up, stay on your knees, and I want you to lean to the right and take your shots. Go. Lean to the left, take your shots. Stop. Okay, how are we doing? Okay? In some situations, guys, you're going to be running, you're going to low light, you're going to trip, whatever it might be. I'm giving you, going through all these scenarios just in case that might be something you don't encounter. Okay, if you trip, you're going to fall, you're going to lay on your back, you're going to trip, you're going to be prone. Okay? Any problems with that? Everybody's doing okay?
Yes.
More or less.